we will work a little bit more on our movement. For now we have movement forward. We have move one step at a time. We cannot move more than one step because we code like this. And we will now try to code movement back. So to move back, we will simply use our previously designed code, but we will need to check space for this. So if the space 6 is empty and space 1 is occupied by our character, we can move to this position with our sprite and then change data that space 6 is occupied and previous space is empty. If we test this, we will get it okay. Now for other movement option we will use OR command. So if this is condition, or if condition is this, so if our object is on a space 4, so if he's here and the space 5 is empty, he can go back. What this means? This means we can go one step further, we can go back, one other step further, and we can go back. And this, I think this is okay, but maybe it's not okay. If this change, I think this is working for now. So we can go step forward and we can go step back. We can even go one further and go back. This is not bad. Thank you for watching. You can do some homework for other spaces here for movement if you like it. And in the next lecture we will continue. Thank you and goodbye.